In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and log into the Smartsheet desktop app. First, make sure you're on a device with a stable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the official Smartsheet website and press enter. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the secure padlock next to the URL and the familiar Smartsheet branding. Starting from the official site ensures you're getting the authentic app and the latest version. Once the home page loads, look for a section labeled Apps, Download, or Desktop App. This may appear in the top navigation, in a Resources or Product menu, or down in the footer. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or use the site's search feature to find Desktop App. The goal is simply to reach the download page that offers the Smartsheet application for your computer. On the download page, choose the version that matches your device. Select Windows or macOS, and if options are listed for specific chip types or versions, pick the one that aligns with your system. Matching your operating system helps the installer run smoothly and prevents compatibility issues. If you're on a work device, be aware that your organization's policies may apply during installation. Click Download and let the file finish downloading completely. Depending on your browser, you'll usually see the file appear at the bottom of the window or in your Downloads folder. The file name will typically end in .x on Windows or DMG on macOS. If the connection is slow, give it a moment. Interrupting the download can corrupt the file. When the download is done, open the installer. On Windows, double-click the .exe file and approve any security prompts so the installer can run. On macOS, open the DMG file and follow the on-screen instructions that appear. If your system asks for administrator permission, go ahead and allow it so the app can be placed in the correct location. Next, follow the installation prompts, accept the license agreement, keep the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them, and proceed through each screen. The installer will copy the necessary files and let you know when it's complete. After installation, launch Smartsheet and log in with your Smartsheet account. If your organization uses single sign-on, choose the appropriate option and complete any multi-factor authentication required. Once you're in, you're ready to start working in the desktop app. If anything doesn't load, check your internet connection and try again. That's it. Your Smartsheet desktop app is ready to go.